In forex trading, staying informed about upcoming economic events is crucial for making timely and profitable decisions. An economic calendar is a specialized tool that lists scheduled economic announcements, data releases, and events which have the potential to significantly influence currency markets. Proper use of this calendar can help traders anticipate market volatility, manage risk, and strategically plan their trades. I know of people or traders who do not trade the news. So what they do is that anytime there's a major news coming, they stay out of the market. Why? Because the market can move very, very fast during news events. So when how do they know when these news events are going to come up? It is because they use economic calendar for forex trading. And this economic calendar can be found on forexfactory.com, fsstreet.com, and many other tools online. You can just Google forex economic calendar, and different tools that are available will be brought up. But I think the best is Forex Factory. Previously, most news on Forex Factory will be updated immediately after the news, after about 1 minute to 90 seconds. But recently, Forex Factory have upgraded such that you can see the news, what happened in the news, just about 10 to 15 seconds after the news. So that will allow you to take advantage of that particular news. So why do we use an economic calendar? Economic calendar is used to anticipate market movements. Knowing when a major report is due gives traders insights into potential sharp price changes. For example, interest rate decisions often cause immediate fluctuations in the relevant currency. Another reason why we use economic calendar is because of risk management. Traders can decide to reduce or close positions before anticipated high volatility events, or set appropriate stop loss and take profit orders to mitigate losses. What I do is that I trade after the news, and I trade the news feed. It can fade in 1 hour, in 2 hours, in 3 hours, in 4 hours. It can fade in 4 hours. So I wait until when it starts to fade, and then I trade it. And that has been making me money. Though I may not have many trading opportunities, but the few ones that come, they make me money. Then also the news calendar help traders trading strategy planning. Some traders prefer trading around high impact news for profit opportunities, while others avoid volatile periods. The economic calendar enables this planning. Then it also helps you to stay updated. Financial markets can react sharply to unexpected news, so keeping an eye on the calendar helps traders stay ahead of market moving events. Then the key features of an economic calendar are as followed. Event time. Exact release time, usually set according to a specific time zone. Then currency impact. It indicates which currency pair or market sector the event will affect. Then importance level. Events are typically categorized as low, medium, or high impact based on historical volatility associated with the announcement. Then forecast and previous data. It provides consensus estimates as well as previous results, helping traders assess potential surprises. Now, how do you use the economic calendar effectively? Number one, customize your calendar. Focus on events affecting your traded currency pairs to avoid information overload. Many platforms allow you to filter events by currency or by impact. So I usually trade Euro USD. So the news I look for is only Euro USD news, and in fact most times just USD news. So you also can just focus. You can't focus on all the major news events. I just focus on Euro USD because I've learned from experience after many years that it is a waste of time for you to focus on many currencies. Now, number two, prepare for high impact events. Plan trades considering upcoming high impact releases like non-farm payrolls or central bank interest rate decisions. Then number 3, combine your your fundamental analysis, the news that is coming out, combine it with technical analysis. So use the calendar to time entries and exits while relying on technical indicators for confirmation. Then it also helps you to observe market reactions. You pay attention to how price movements align with unexpected economic data and learn from outcomes to refine future strategies. Number 5, be cautious with volatility. News events often lead to price spikes and slippage. Manage order execution carefully to avoid surprises. Now, here are some popular economic events to watch. Interest rate announcement, employment reports, e.g. US non-farm payrolls, that's NFP, inflation rate, CPI, PPI, GDP figures, trade balances, consumer confidence index, central bank speeches like FOMC and Powell speeches in the US, and many more. The economic calendar is an indispensable tool that empowers forex traders with timely knowledge of upcoming events that can cause sudden market shifts. Using it effectively allows traders to align their strategies with fundamental market drivers, manage risks proactively, and capitalize on trading opportunities. For both new and experienced traders, integrating the economic calendar into daily trading routines is key to informed and successful forex trading. I believe you have gained value from this video, and if that is the case, please do well to go ahead and subscribe, like and share, and keep coming back to this channel for more. On this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. And in the last 20 or so days, I have been talking about how you can start forex trading and how you can make money from forex trading. This is because many of my viewers on this channel have been asking for this, and I have to bring this your way. So I want you to take advantage of all this, and you are going to be glad you did. Until I come your way in the next one, please make sure you subscribe, and I want you to keep following me for more insight and for more details that are going to help you in your forex trading journey. Until I come your way in the next one, have a good one, and God bless you. Yes, please join my membership like Lara Laoye, who have been a good member all along. Please join my membership, buy me a coffee to encourage me. Click the join button just below this video.